So welcome everybody on our downward dog yoga challenge, and today day 27. Fee is with me. How are you, Fee?
I'm very good, thank you. Lovely to see you.
Lovely
I've
to
got
see you
little
too.
Hope, who will probably join in at some point. But yes, it's a longer session now. We've got up to about 15 minutes, is it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
So yeah, it's getting more challenging, but great.
Yes, yeah. So you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Right, so let's do it. I'm going to start your cross legs. Just sit on the floor. Position nice and upright. You got chest high, shoulders, and now start with your shoulders. Inhale, lift, and slowly just relax. Inhale, and exhale. So you're trying to release any tension in your upper body, lifting shoulders high, and slowly just relax. And a few more. Inhale, and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. And now your right arm lift high as you exhale. Try to bend your left side. Relax your left shoulder. Right arm straight as much as you can, but you're trying to relax your left side. Inhale and slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, now your left arm nice and straight. And to your right. Inhale. Exhale, relax your right shoulder, elbow bend. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And one more. And now your wrist. So move your hands. Change direction. And now inhale, arms back, squeeze your shoulder blades. And exhale, hands together. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. Lace your fingers, palms forward, head down. Good breaths in and slowly out. Inhale, lift, and slowly just relax. Shake hands. And now on your four. First with your hips. So when you inhale, tuck those under, arch your back, look forward or up. As you exhale, head down, round back. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now if your toes tuck under, inhale, exhale, lift your knees and hips off the floor, going to the down dog position, and slowly bring your knees down. Inhale, ready, and exhale, lift up, feel the stretch in your arms, chest, shoulders, back of your legs, lower back. Inhale, and exhale. Now I'm going to hold the down dog position and march on the spot. And now we're trying to move forward to plank position. Inhale, exhale, down dog again. And a few more. But remember, if you don't have that much strength in your upper body or your wrist, you can just take a break and join us for the next movement. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more if you can. And slowly on your 4 to child pose. And now you've got 4 straight arms front to you. When you inhale, try to move forward. As you exhale, feel the stretch in your upper body, your back, and your glutes area, maybe even hips. Inhale and slowly exhale. Forearms on the floor, elbows down. Yeah, that's better. Inhale and exhale. So you're trying to stretch your upper body, improve the range of movement in your shoulders. One more time. Inhale and slowly exhale. And now move forward and slowly take position on your belly. You've got forearms in front of you. So you're trying to lift your chest slightly and exhale slowly down. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes muscles nice and strong to support lower back. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Slowly lift your hips, bring your arms closer to you, and child pose again. And now on your 4, you're going to place your left leg front of you, position nice and upright, squeezing glutes on your right, and now your arms. Inhale, slowly shoulders back and down. So really trying to open your chest, stretch your arms and your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And now, right arm behind to reach for your left arm. Inhale and exhale. Bend forward. Squeeze your shoulder blades. So you're stretching not only your left side, hip and glutes area, but also your shoulders and your chest. Inhale, slowly lift. And exhale, feel the stretch on your left side to the most. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now right leg to the front. Strong glutes on your left. And again, first with your arms really high. Inhale, exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Okay, left arm, reaching for your right arm, elbow. Inhale, chest high. Exhale, bend forward. So now the stretch is on your right side, hip, glutes, even part of your hamstring on your right side. Lower back is a nice stretch for this area as well. And one more. Inhale, slowly exhale. Okay, on your 4. And now try to just look side to side, look back to your feet, to your legs. So you're working with your spine, with your core muscles, your obliques, left and right side in your waist. Good, breaths in and slowly out. Okay, toes stuck under again. to back to down dog position. You can march on the spot, or you're trying to lift your left leg. Inhale, exhale. If it's too much stretching for your right leg, bend your knee. Keep your right heel off the floor as I'm doing. Inhale, exhale. You can change. Try to lift your right, but if it's too hard, again, just march on the spot, or even take a break again. Always you can go to the child pose and have a quick rest. And slowly on your floor, bring your forearms and lie down on your belly. Inhale, check if you can lift your chest higher, or you need to stay with your elbows on the floor, which is fine. But if your spine is okay, you can try to lift higher. So in this case, hands underneath your shoulders to lift even your hips off the floor. But remembering to squeeze your glutes, really strong muscles to support the lower back. Maybe one more. Forearms again, to slowly on your floor. And again, left leg forward. This time, going to move your hips. It's going to increase the stretch on your left side, but also you can feel the stretch front of your right leg. Make sure squeezing glutes on your right side. Inhale, slowly exhale. Keep your chest really high. Pull your shoulders back. Inhale, slowly exhale. And one more. And now right leg. Inhale. And exhale. Make sure front knee is directly above your ankle. Inhale. And exhale. So that's the same alignment for your knee joint. Now remember to clench your buttocks muscles on your left side. Excellent. And two more maybe. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Okay. Forearms, legs together, and you're lifting your left leg up. Inhale, slowly exhale. Squeezing glutes in your left leg. So you're building strength in your lower back, your core. Try to press your elbows, shoulders down to keep your chest high and your head off the floor. Perfect. And now right leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And child pose. With your elbows bent, or maybe arms straight. You can rock your hips side to side. And if you're still fine with your wrists and your arms, go to down dog position. One more time. Marching on the spot. Really try to make this movement. Chest, back, belly towards your legs. So feel the stretch in your upper body as well as your legs. Slowly on your forearms, laying down your belly. And again, upward dog, inhale, and slowly exhale. If some of you are ready to lift even hips to upward dog position, hands close to your hips, and you're lifting all the way up, but you're squeezing glutes muscles really strong. Inhale, and exhale. Maybe one more. Forearms to lift your hips and rest in child pose one more time. Slowly on your floor. Stand up position really slowly. Let's roll up your knees bent until you're completely upright. You can lift your arms, inhale, and slowly exhale. And one more. Relax your shoulders. Okay, so thank you. A longer session, much more poses, much more downward up and dog position. So we're hoping you're feeling stronger, but always if you're feeling this is too many repetitions for you, you can just take a break, slowly just build the strength in your body, muscles and your wrists. How was it, Fee?
That was good. Thank you very much. Yeah, you can feel it all over the body now for sure. But Hope was giving me a little help out, so I could just sort of lie down on her at some point.
Yeah.
It's fun exercising with dogs.
That was really nice to see that.
I know, they're lovely.
Excellent.
And for anybody who's doing this with us, I hope your dogs are joining in and keeping you going as well. And thank you so much for staying with us and supporting Birmingham Dogs Home. So stay positive. And we've got another one coming up tomorrow, hey?
Yes, of course.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
So, thank you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. And as always, we ask to leave the comments if you just watch this one as the first time or you've done all 26 to 27 with this one as well, days together, and how you're feeling. If you're feeling stronger, let us know and send some picture if you're doing yourself or us. You've got some company. Amazing to see pictures as you're doing yoga with your friends. So thank you guys and see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.